Hi, and welcome to my playhouse. And today we are in the upstairs bathroom, which I haven't been in for quite a while. I had it done years ago and I never got it finished, so I thought we would work a little bit on this today. It's mostly done, but the ceiling ever only got one layer of paint, and there has been some mishaps that needs a bit of repainting. Plus over here on the shower thing, that's gonna be really funny to get in there and paint that. But yeah, it's not a big bathroom, so it really shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna start masking some stuff off. I have some masking tape down there, painter's tape. That has become extremely expensive. I purchased a little bit of this and it was like, that's nearly gold nowadays. So yeah, I'm gonna start masking some stuff off, like the LEDs. Who decided to put that many LEDs in here? I know who, but let's not go into details on that. So yeah. Okay, I have been putting up tape around the lamps, all the way around the wall, and yeah, I'm just gonna be painting the ceiling. Did I mention that at all? I hope I mentioned it, otherwise well, the ceiling. So it has a little bit of damage here and there. I think the paint will cover it up. Yeah, so I purchased some paint and it's down here. So, paintbrush or the roller things, I am going to be using some very small ones. This is just a tiny room, so I don't need a whole lot. And I purchased some. It's not an expensive paint, but it's in a shop that doesn't have expensive paint, so this is some of the more expensive paint that they have, which is, it's not bad. This was 259 Danish kroners. I will try and see if I can calculate that in my head while I'll make a stir. Okay, my calculations comes out to about $40 for those playing along at home in the US. In Europe, I think it's probably like 38 euros or something, which it's a lot of money for some stuff that is just white. We pay a lot of money for stuff that is just white. So, okay, and oh. And I've already made a mess, dang it. So we need this. Vacuum packed paintbrushes. I don't see the need. Oh, I got. I'm in. These things has become so cheap here that I usually don't really bother cleaning them. You just, well, these are not even, you don't even buy new ones of these, you just buy a new set. So I don't paint that much, so me using a lot of time cleaning these up, and I'm just gonna put on a thin layer, so I'm gonna use this very thin one and put it on there. Yes, that's gonna do nicely. Okay, so I don't think I can talk my way out of it. Yeah. Oh, I hope this is not gonna be all over the place. I need to bring you guys out of the way. I don't want the camera to get dirty. can unfortunately already see that I'm not gonna be able to do this with just one layer extra. There's too many things that it doesn't cover. So maybe those $40 wasn't enough on paint, because it's gonna need a bit more than that. Okay, it has been drying for a few hours, and I must admit it looks a lot better than it did when I put it on. So yeah, a bit of drying time and it will look pretty good. I think one more time will do it. Well, I think, or I hope, both. I hope one more time will do it. I have managed to get some paint on here and there where it wasn't needed. Oh, and over there. How did I manage that? Okay, it's the next day, and I must admit this ceiling looks a lot better than it did when I put the paint on. So that white paint covers a lot better when it's dry. I missed a spot, but I am gonna do it again. Also missed a spot there, so yeah, I definitely need to do this again. Give it another layer, and with another layer it's gonna be looking even better, I'm expecting. So yeah, I turned out to be too cheap to throw out the roll. I cleaned it, and I even remembered that I was not supposed to put paint directly in this thing. I'm supposed to put a plastic bag around it so that I can put paint in it and I can just throw away the plastic bag when I'm done. So yeah, I get lazy like that. So let's get on with it and give it a second layer. And this bathroom ceiling could be done today. As soon as I turn on the camera, I splash paint everywhere. Awesome. Good job, Mom. Okay, we're done. It's still wet. So I expect it will look very good when it dries up and becomes fully white. I messed up over here. I see I need to clean that, and maybe I should already. I don't think I'm gonna need to give it another layer. I think this is perfectly fine. So I should probably take the tape down. Also on all the lamps. Did I do around the lamps in here? I must have. Yeah. It took longer to put up the tape than to actually paint the ceiling. So there's that again. Oh, and someone has made a boo-boo. So yeah, I need to try to take that off the floor before I drag it around in here. Paint. I was actually in the paint store looking at paint, and they have these canisters in different sizes, and this one is where does it say it? It's 4.5 liter, I thought that is way too much paint, and I was right. So I was actually looking for one that would be like, they have them in like 0.75 liters, like 3/4 of a liter. I thought that will be plenty, but they didn't have it, and this one was the smallest one. So if they had had the smaller one, it wouldn't have been enough, and I would only have been able to paint it 1.5 times or something like that. So yeah, at least now that it did take 3-4 years to get this project started, and it only took half a day to actually do it, I think it's worth it to have a little bit of paint left over. It's fine. So sometimes I'm just too stingy. And actually, 4.5 liters was like those 250 Danish kroners. If they had had the 0.75 liter small junks, it would probably have been half the price of this. And now I can do more ceilings if I have any more ceilings that needs doing. Okay, I cleaned up and I took all the tape. I didn't take down all the tape. I left the tape on the lamps. The ceiling is still wet-ish, and these lamps, which needs to be popped in, I don't want them to scratch the paint, and there is less of a chance to scratch the paint when it's completely dry, I think. Yeah, I am so much used to not really using this bathroom that I was painting in here, and then I had, I gotta go pee. So I went all the way downstairs and went to pee, and standing there thinking about things, I realized I could just have used a very well functioning toilet up here. No reason why not to use that. But yeah, I'm so used to not using this bathroom because it's, in my mind, it's not completed, even though I have actually used the shower at some point just to test it out. The floor squeaks crazily. I'm a bit annoyed about that. Yeah, it's annoying. So, but other than that, it's kind of done. So there we are. Hello. So yeah. Okay, so outside we have a big box, and that's because my pool tent decided to fly away and break itself. Yeah, not much left, so I purchased another one. I even think the new one might be a little bit bigger than the old one that only lasted one season. So yeah, we are outside because I wanted to do a little bit of work. But let's just see the pool first. I have a little bit of work for me here. See, I have 1 tile, 2 tiles, 3 tiles, 4 tiles, 5, 6, 7 tiles, 8 tiles, 9, 10 tiles. Oh, if I could go back and slap the guy that put tiles in here that isn't rated for frost, I would do that. But the same guy is cutting down this tree, and therefore I have the lovely Ryopi with me here. So I wanted to finish the job here. Yeah, ever so often I cut them down. It takes a lot of effort, and that's a lot of wood there for one little tree. Well, it isn't that little, but yeah. So yeah, the sun is shining. I want to get something done. It's rather nice out here. Okay, that tree is done. You might ask yourself, and I wouldn't blame you, why are you using the spine itself. I forget what they call this. Do they brag? Reciprocating saw. It's mostly because it feels a lot less dangerous to be standing on the ladder with the reciprocating saw than a motor saw, chainsaw, and yeah, and it kind of goes in where the other one doesn't as nicely. So it's not the last tree that I have to do. I want to do this one as well, but the neighbor's car is in the way right now. I don't want that to happen, and I might want to save it for another day. So I have all these big trees here that could use a trim, a good haircut, get them down in height. So yeah, we got a little bit done today. I'll take all the branches here and put them in the big pile. I don't know why, but it seems logical. So that is that job done. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to do much more in this video. I'm trying to take it easy and get to some of the jobs that I've been neglecting for way too long. So yeah, just to keep it IT related somewhat. In my last video I mentioned that it was a very good time to sell your RAM. It's still a very good time to sell your RAM if you have some RAM that you're not needing. The prices has gone up considerably. So yeah, look into it. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.